Hi, this is Krishna Merchant and thank you for joining us for the market roundup. The Indian markets ended lower on Friday on back of weak global cues after crude prices rose sharply on back of risk aversion after there was escalating tensions in Iraq leading to higher crude prices. The Sensex was down 1% to close at 25,228 and Nifty ended at 7,542, closing below the psychological mark of 7,600. For the week as well, the markets were down around 0.7%. Investors said that higher crude prices will stoke inflation and also increase the current account deficit of India and raise the under recoveries for oil companies. Markets on Monday should take cues from the wholesale price index. Yesterday there were two important data points out which showed that economy was improving with wholesale index cooling marginally to around 8.4% and industrial output rising to about 3% for the month of April. Among the individual stocks, it was the rate-sensitive shares which took a beating. Axis Bank fell 4%, State Bank of India was down 3%, and ICICI Bank was down around 2%. Among the blue-chip shares, Larsen & Toubro fell 2%, Tata Steel lost over 4%. Hero MotoCorp shares were down 5% after US private equity firm was seen selling shares of the company. The private equity firm was Bain. Bharti Airtel declined 2%, adding to the fall yesterday after Credit Suisse downgraded the stock. Investors seem to have found some cover and they're getting into defensive space like pharma and IT. Among the stocks were Infosys, Dr. Reddy's, HUL. They were all up around marginally between 0.2 to 0.4%. Suzlon continued to slide for the third consecutive day. The stock was down 5% today. Foreign institutional investors continue to remain net buyers this week, and year to date they have bought shares worth around $9.2 billion. On Monday, the markets will take cues from the wholesale price index and the US Fed policy on Wednesday. That is all for today. Do stay tuned to livebin.com for more updates.